Hello everyone. Today we will make a video inside the text in Filmora. So, let's get started. Open Filmora video editor. Now first we have to add the text. Go to titles and add any title which you want. Now double click on the title and go to advance. Now change the text, let's is right jumping. Now change the font, I will change the font to impact. Now increase the font size to bigger, I will make it 200. Now press OK. First, we have to render it. Click Export. Go to Setting. Check on the best quality and make it to Full HD and 30 FPS. Now press OK. Let's change its name to second layer. Now click Export. Now import any video clip. Drag and drop into the timeline. And cut a video that matches the text time. Delete the other part of the video. Now import the second layer video. Now place the second layer video above the video clip. Double click on the second layer. And change its blending mode to multiply. After press OK. Now play it and check it first. You can change the color of the video according to your need. For this, double click on the video. Go to color and change the settings which you want. After this, press OK. And we are all done. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn. Next, till then, stay creative with Filmora.